Yes, video part 2, and I took to this board too. I mean, look at this. The solders are so shiny. It's so clean. Look at this. Nothing happened to the board. And this is the power. But only it happens to this screen. I don't know what happened, but it's like, oh, it doesn't show anything. I don't want to buy a new screen, and it's not worth it. Just I wanna take it out and show you guys what is the inside. Yeah, I think it's all about this. I mean, what we have, two board like this for the monitor. Connections are here, and HDMI port here. Yeah, VGR, and yeah, this is all one board is here, second board here, the power, and yeah, this is all about two board, and then one connection cable. One is buttons, yeah, all of these the buttons that you can adjust the screen, and one stand. Yeah, this is, and of course screen. All about this. I don't know, do I need to open all together? I don't know. Yeah, nothing to see anymore. Only this one more board is connected with the screen here. Maybe I can take it out. Let me see. Alright, take it out. No, it's not coming. Oh, it came. No, this is the one. I don't know. Let me. Okay, this is the way. I think. Yeah. You just take it from the connection on screen. This is the one. Now, there you are. Another part. That's it. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and this is the I can show you what was it is. This is all about, yeah, Lenovo screen. I mean monitor. So you guys saw all inside. What was it inside? This is the screen that, as you see, like screen. That's it. There is nothing else. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.